Hi everyone, this is Miss Jen from the Youth Services Department. Today I'm going to show you how to log the days that you read for the summer reading program. Our summer reading program started July 1st and runs through August 15th. You log every day that you read in Beanstack. For every 5 days of reading that you log, you will receive a virtual badge and a virtual raffle ticket for a gift card drawing. So here's what you need to do in order to log your reading. First, you need to visit olpl.beanstack.org, which is the Beanstack homepage for our library. Then you scroll to the bottom of the screen and you hit the Sign In button. You will log in with the username and password that you used to create your account. Once you log in, you will be able to see all of the readers in the family by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. As you can see, in this family, there are 3 readers. There is Molly, Ginny, and Ron. We're going to start with Molly. As you can see, Molly is a part of the Adult Lifelong Reading Program and the Summer Reading Program for adults, which is called Imagine Your Story. We want to log Molly's days of reading, so we're going to click on Return to this challenge under the Summer Reading Program. Once we're on the page, we're going to go up into the upper left-hand corner and click on the green button that says Log Reading and Activities. Since we are logging Molly's days of reading, we're going to click on Days. Now, Molly read for 1 hour on July 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So we're going to click on each box so that there is a little circle appearing. We're going to click Log, and as you can see, it says Logged on the bottom of the page, and a pop-up appears. Molly has unlocked her first badge for reading 5 days over the summer. She has also earned a virtual raffle ticket. She can hold on to that raffle ticket and enter it at a later date, or she can enter it right now. We're going to enter it right now. So click Enter a Drawing, and as you can see, a whole list of local businesses appears. She can enter her raffle ticket into any gift card drawing that she chooses. We're going to scroll down and we're going to enter the Starbucks gift card drawing. We're going to click the green button which says Add Tickets. Now it shows that Molly has 1 ticket available to use, so we're going to click the plus button and we're going to enter it into the Starbucks gift card drawing. And as you can see, it says 1 ticket entered and she has 0 tickets left, and we're going to close out. Now, Molly is all logged and she has entered the gift card drawing. So we're going to go up into the upper left-hand corner and we're now going to go to Ron. Now, Ron, when we go to challenges, as you can see, Ron is a part of the Lifelong Reading Program, a high school reading program called Read for Pizza, and the Teen Imagine Your Story Summer Reading Program. For Ron, we're going to go to Return to this challenge under the Summer Reading Program. And once we're here, we're going to go into the upper left-hand corner and hit Log Reading and Activities. And for Ron, we're also going to log his days of reading. Now, Ron read for 45 minutes on July 1st through July 5th. So just like with his mother, we're going to click on each box and we're going to click Log. Now, Ron has unlocked his first summer reading badge and he has also earned 1 raffle ticket. We're now going to enter his raffle ticket into the drawing. As you can see, that list appears of local businesses. Ron would like to enter his raffle ticket into the Oak Lawn Comics raffle. So we're going to click the button that says Add Tickets, and we're going to click the plus button. Ron is entering 1 ticket into this drawing. We're going to click Enter 1 ticket. And as you can see, he did it correctly. 1 ticket is entered. He has 0 left. We're going to click Close. And now we're going to go to the final reader in the family. Up in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to go to Ginny. Now, as you can see, Ginny is a part of 2 reading programs, the 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten program, and the Youth Summer Reading Program. We're going to go to return to this challenge under Ginny's. And Ginny, once we get to Ginny's profile, we're going to go to log reading and activity up in the left corner. And we're going to log Ginny's days of reading too. Now, Ginny has been read to by her mother for 5 days. So we're going to click July 1st, July 2nd, July 3rd, July 4th, and July 5th, because each night before bed, Ginny was being read to by Molly. We're then going to click the log button, and Ginny has unlocked her first badge, and we're going to enter her ticket into the drawing. Now, Ginny's selections look a little different because she's in the kids' summer reading program. She can get an entertainment and recreation gift card. She can enter to win a grab bag gift card, which is a surprise gift card, or she can enter to win a restaurant gift card from a local business. For right now, we're going to put Ginny's into the entertainment and recreation gift card drawing. So we're going to click add tickets. We're going to hit the little plus sign, and we're going to enter 1 ticket into this drawing. As you can see, it says 1 ticket is earned and she has 0 left. We're going to close this out, and we are all set now. All 3 readers in the family, Ginny, Ron, and Molly, have logged their days of reading, and all 3 of them have entered their tickets into a drawing. Since we are all finished, we're going to go into the upper right-hand corner, and we're going to click the gear button, and we're going to click sign out. When they are ready to come back and log more days of reading, they are just going to complete the process that we went through all over again. It is important to remember that you can sign into Beanstack every day and log your reading, or you can choose to sign in after 5 or even 10 days and log your reading. Just don't forget to sign in and do so, because all days must be logged by August 15th in order to receive your virtual raffle tickets. Also, please remember that everyone can participate in the program. That means babies and toddlers too. The little ones in your family get days marked on their reading log for every day that somebody reads to them. I hope this video helps you log your days of reading. However, if you still have questions after watching this video, you can go to our homepage at olpl.org, and you could submit a question through the Ask a Librarian button, or you can click on the chat icon and chat with somebody when someone is available. I hope you have fun reading this summer. Take care, everybody.